Teachers, how are you? So in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can create a quiz for your students using Microsoft Team app in mobile phone. So first of all you have to open the Microsoft Team app. Then after that you have to click on assignment tab. Then they will ask you to choose the class for which you are going to create the quiz. So I'm going to choose this demo class because this is mine class. So click on next. You can choose your particular class. Then you can see after that you have to click this top right plus sign. So you have to click over here. Then is a new assignment, then is a new quiz, then is a from existing. New assignment is for the descriptive one. Then is a new quiz. New quiz is when you are going to create the quiz, which we are going to create right now, but I'm going to tell you the third one option. This is the from existing. From existing means कि whatever the existing form is available here which you have already created earlier, you can choose from that also. So in that way, new quiz, so you have to click on new quiz. Then you have to click this new form. When you click on new form, it will switch to the browser. Now in mine end I have already filled my credentials, that's why it directly opened the Microsoft form. But in your end, when you open the browser, you will get the option get started. You have to click over there, then you have to fill your user ID and password and you will get this option, this interface. Then you have to click on new quiz here. Then here you have to give the title for your quiz. Say I'm giving here, say HTML, say assignment. This is I'm giving. So you want to add the image for this, you can add from here. Just click this image. Then this is this search engine Bing, you can search the image also. Say computer, spelling is wrong, computer, so you can search also. So in that way these are the matched result you can see. So you can choose anyone and you have to click on add and then it will be added. OneDrive is for the optional one. Oh sorry, OneDrive is for the cloud. It is for the Microsoft cloud. You have to add that, but I'm not recommending this. So upload, you have to browse from the mobile. So I'm not going to browse from the mobile. So I just choose this one. So in that way you can give. say मैं image दे रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, let me tell you. Say I'm going to choose this computer, then is a search, then is this one. Say I'm going to choose this one, then sorry, then click on this one, then add. Now you see picture has added. So in that way you can enter a description like all question are compulsory, like that. So add a new. So this, when you click on add new, what type of question you want to add. This is a multiple choice question, this is the first option. Radio button is for the multiple choice question, ABC for the text one, then is this thumb sign is for the rating one. So I'm going to choose this first option because I'm creating the quiz. So here you have to write the question. So I'm writing dash tag is used to insert image in HTML. So in that way, if you want to add the image also, you can add here also. You can see there is an image icon as I have added in the your title. Same way, if you want to add a picture in your question, you can add from here. Then is a here you have to give, say the option is image img tag, then is a image tag. Say I'm choosing here the option add option is for the third one. Say background. Say last option I'm choosing, say bg image. So now you see I have added all the options. So you just active that option which is the correct answer. So I just active, this is my correct answer. So when you active that, immediate you will get this tick sign. So you have to click, okay, this is my correct answer. Okay, so how many point you want to give for this? Say 1 point. Then is a multiple answer. If this question have the multiple answer, then you have to enable this option and you have to choose the other correct option, but I'm not going to enable this because this is the only correct answer. Then is a required, this option I must recommend you to enable this, because if you enable this option, that means it is mandatory for student to attempt this. Okay, so in that way, add new. Same way the second question you can add, say dash tag displays the text in the smaller size. Then you have to write the answer. Say your option, say I'm writing here H2. Then is the second option, say H1. Then is the third option, say H4, or you can write in capital letters also. And the last option I'm giving here H6. So this is my correct answer. I'm going to select this. As you can see, whatever the marking scheme you have applied for the question 1 or the setting, it automatically apply to the other question also. So in that way, as many question you can add by clicking on this add new option. I'm not going to proceed further. I just added the 2 question, that's fine for me, because I just want to tell you. So in that way, click on the add new option and you can add. I told you because sometime you need the image also, तो आप image भी add कर सकते हो. As I told you, question को select करके you can see that there is option image. Here you can add the image and video also. Video means URL of the video. Okay, so it's your choice, whatever you want to do. Then after that, teachers, what you need to do, you will not get any save option here. Okay, because this Microsoft form is auto saved. So what you need to do, you have to just close this form. After creation this, it is auto saved, so I just close this form now. Now again you have to refresh your app, then again go to the assignment. Now my demo class is already there because I left this here only. So अब आपको करना क्या है? Till now I have created the form only. I have not assigned yet. तो assignment करने के लिए again you have to follow the same procedure. Click on plus and click on new quiz. Then you see the form which I added, HTML assignment, it came now. Earlier it was not there. So फॉर्म क्रिएशन भी उसी तरीके से होगा जब क्रिएशन के बाद आपका फॉर्म यहाँ पे अपीयर हो जाएगा, देन यू हैव टू चूज दिस HTML असाइनमेंट, then click on next. When you click on next, this wizard will open. Now this is the title which I have given. Instruction, if you want to give, you can type here. Then this is my form, HTML, I'm sorry, this is HTML assignment form which I have created. Then is a 2 points, because you know that I have created only 2 questions, so it is only 2 questions. So now after that, you can see there is option key to which class you want to assign. It is a demo class because it is automatically assigned, because I made this under this class only. So if you want to assign to other class, then you have to click this in front of this option. Then you can choose the multiple class, say plus 1D, okay, say this one. So you can, as it is your wish to which class you want to assign. You can assign multiple also, but I'm not going to choose this, so just back. So then you want to assign this assignment to this class to all the student, so it is by default it is all student. But if you want to assign to the particular student, then you have to click this sign and you have to write the name of that student and choose, and you can assign to the particular students. Okay, then this is the date option, key what is your due date, what is your due time, you can change it from the calendar and all that. Then the second last option is allow you to give the relaxation, means if suppose a student is submitting the late, so you want submitting late, you want to enable that कि वो सब late submit कर सकता है या नहीं. So by choosing this, आप इसमें अगर ये close date को कर दोगे तो then they will not allow to submit the assignment after the due date. Okay, so in that way you can choose that. Now the last option is your edit, that is post assignment notification to this channel. So I'm going to edit this. So now there are only two channel, one is a general, one is a maths, because I have created one channel for this class, that is maths. General is by default. So you can see it will show you the list of channels under which you want to show the notification to the students. So I'm going to choose this in the general only, so any teacher can choose their respective channel. Then so right now I'm going to choose general, then is a done. So after that you have to click on this assign option. When you click this assign option, it is assigned to student. You can see that tick is there, that means it is assigned to the student. After clicking on assign, स्टूडेंट एंड पे भी स्टूडेंट को नोटिफिकेशन चला जाएगा, मीन्स दे विल गेट द नोटिफिकेशन इन देयर टीम ऐप. सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू द व्यू ऑफ स्टूडेंट, कि स्टूडेंट के एंड से ये असाइनमेंट कैसे लगेगी. सो यू कैन सी, यू जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दिस HTML असाइनमेंट. नाउ you have to click these three dots, then click on student view. So this is the student view. Student will see like this. Student have to click here, HTML assignment demo class. Then you see these are the questions. You can see the star sign is there because I made it mandatory. So dash tag is used to insert the image. This is the first, my correct option. Smaller than it, this is the one, the second option. Then you have to submit, means student will submit the response. So you can see, thanks, your response was submitted. Best part of this assignment is the student can see the result immediately, means after submitting the response, then they have to click to the view results. So you can see that 2 out of 2. So in that way student can see the result. So in that way you can assign the quiz to your class. so you can close also. Okay, so you can go back to your assignment. So as student attempt the assignment, you will get, these are the names. Okay, because these are the two student roles only. When somebody attempt the assignment, you will get turned in option. Turned in means he or she attempted that assignment. Then you have to click on turned in option, then you can see that form ki whatever the result he or she got in the assignment. So in that way, those have just viewed the assignment, you will get the I sign in front of that. So I hope this video is clear to you, that how you can make a quiz for your student. So thank you, have a nice day, God bless you.